Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Cybertruck Autopilot stopping suddenly on highway ramps and provides a neutral overview of commonly documented behavior where driver assistance features may disengage or reduce control in ramp and interchange environments. This behavior is discussed in the context of how autopilot is designed to operate and does not indicate a confirmed defect or universal malfunction. Autopilot systems are intended primarily for controlled access highways and are designed to rely on clear lane markings, predictable curvature, and consistent road geometry. Verified documentation and technical explanations indicate that highway ramps often present sharper curves, elevation changes, split lanes, merge zones, and variable speed limits. In these situations, autopilot may disengage or prompt the driver to take over because system confidence is reduced or the roadway falls outside intended operating conditions. Some versions may also adjust speed or disengage when map data indicates a ramp transition or when lane guidance becomes ambiguous. Additional documented factors that may contribute include camera-based perception limits on tight curves, changes in lane width, faded markings, or complex ramp signage. Software behavior may vary by version and calibration state, and in some cases updates can alter how autopilot responds in ramp scenarios. As a possibility, temporary sensor obstruction or incomplete calibration could also contribute, though this is not confirmed for every case. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General guidance includes maintaining hands on the wheel, monitoring alerts, being prepared for disengagement on ramps, and ensuring the system is updated and properly calibrated. Autopilot disengagement in these areas is often a safety safeguard rather than a failure. Overall, autopilot stopping or disengaging on highway ramps can vary depending on road design, software behavior, and environmental conditions. The behavior may differ between versions and does not indicate the same cause for every vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.